All right, guys, welcome to my live. We are doing trigonomic. I'm trying to calculate trigonomic values without using a calculator. So, so yeah, we are doing a live stream about calculating trigonomic functions. Yeah, values without a calculator. So what value do you want me to start at? What value do you want me to start at? So what value do you want me to start at? Give me a number. Come on. Also, when I tried pasting this, I reached the character limit. So yeah. How about 2048? By the way, 2048 is out of range. Please try another number. Yeah. No, I'm not doing that number. Minus 1.33. Okay. I guess 1.33 it is. I might do garbage at this. All right. So minus 1.33 plus I don't know what this is hard. I don't know. 1/3 is equal to 4, so what's 4 cubes? 64 over 7. I really don't know. I don't know what's 64. 64 over 27? I don't know. No. Sorry, it was on accident. Also, I'm gonna delete. All right, I might have to show my work because I can't even. I'm already stuck. All right, I'm already stuck, and I'm not gonna click D. We're descending. Okay, so 64 over 27. Also, I just realized that my text is in a different size with an 8. Yeah. And then I have to divide by 3 factorial, which is 6. I don't know what 27 times 6 is. I don't know what 27 times 6 is. I want to use I have no idea what 27 times 6 is. Alright, I might have to use a different number. Alright, alright. $162. Okay, thank you. Thank you for helping me out. Yeah, I think I'll give up. I think I'm giving up. 1.33 is too hard. Bro! Done. Alright. Minus 1.33 is way too hard. Please give me a different number. All right. Give me a different number. Minus 1.33 is way too hard. Even though it's almost 4/3. How about 1? Okay. 1 I can do. I can do 1. I think it's actually really easy. So 1 plus the reciprocal of 6, which is about this number right here. I don't want memes, so I'm gonna go to 166. How do I go? All right. Okay, then I have to calculate the reciprocal of 5 factorial. Oh wait, you're subtracting. I messed up. Actually, I'm gonna round it. I am gonna round. Oops. Good. So please ignore this number right. I really do not want to say it. Plus reciprocal of 1/20th plus minus, and I can't type more characters. Great. The reciprocal of 7. I remember 7 factorial is 1 over 50/40, which is very close to 1 over. So what is 1 divided by, what's the reciprocal of 5,000? Is it 0.02? I think so. All right. Is the reciprocal 5,000.02? Because I want to know. Wait, I think I messed up. Guys, I think I messed up. It's actually that. And I think, all right. Yep, I think that's right. Bro, I keep rotating the text on the next. All right, I think that's what the real answer is. All right, hopefully that's the correct answer. Because now I have to put my answer. All right. So now I have to put, by the way, sine of 1 radian is approximately 0.841. All right, that's my final answer. The sine of 1 radian is about 0.841. Did I get the... What really is 1 minus... All right. What do you think? What do you think? I'm waiting for a response to see if I got it right. I think I should be right, okay? By the way, I'm gonna save my work so I don't accidentally lose. All right, let's see. Okay, good. All right. All right, I calculated the sine of a radian. What is the actual value of... What's the actual value of the sine of a radian? I want to see how close I was. I want to see how close I was. I didn't include this because, yeah. Let's see. Hopefully that was pretty accurate. Oh my, really? Really? Sine. I calculated the sine radian correctly. Wow. Also, I really want to save, but I can't. All right. What value should we do next? What value should we do next? What value should we do next? Oops, I didn't want to delete this. All right. I might have to add building blocks. What value should we do next? Any requests? 3/4 or 0.75. Next. 3/4 is the next one. All right, so yeah, I think I remember. So 3/4 minus. I got all right. 3/4, and then I have to go s. So 3/4. I'm gonna add a space. So oh no, not all right. So 3/4, 27. Then the numerator is 27, and the denominator is what is 4? It's 64. All right, then I have to multiply the denominator by 6. I think it's 192. Yep, 192. Since 192 is close to 200, I'm going to say it's about. Okay. All right, next. I think I might have to use a calculator for 27. I'm gonna probably go down to 200. It's not gonna lie. It's. I am struggling hard. Yeah. 54. I'm gonna round it up to this number right here. I'm gonna say that 27 over 190 seconds is this number. I might be wrong, but hopefully that's right. And then I have to do 5. And then now I have to do, what's 3 to the 5? What is, I can't remember. 3 raised to 5 is 243, I think. 243. And then the bottom is, I'm assuming it's 1,024. Yep. Wait. Okay. I have to multiply by. I'm gonna do 1,024 times 120. I have to. It's about 120. That no, not 120,000. Holy moly, that's quite big. Yeah. All right, this number is quite big. 243 divided by. I think it's nothing. I think it's less than 1,000, right? It's less than 1,000, right? All right, I think I might try this again. I am not sure. That's right. I'm gonna 3/4. So 3 is 27, and then the bottom is 64, which triples it to 1. Oh, I did it wrong. 64 times. I tripled it. I was meant to bring 4. Yikes. Oh man, that sucks, but I'm gonna keep it. All right. Also, I used a calculator, and the third one is about, oh no, not this. Is about 2 thousandths. Yeah. All right. Now I have to calculate it. I'm gonna draw 7. I'm gonna draw 75 numbers, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna draw, is that 10? I think that's 10 objects. Yes, that is 10. I have to add 20, third, hold on. Okay, I might have to use a calculator to figure out what the value. All right, all right, it's about, no, ignore what it's, okay. The value of the sine of 3/4 radians is about 0.697. The sine of 3/4 of a radian is about 697 over 1,000. Is that right? Is that right? Let's see how close I am. Let's see how close I am. Hopefully really close. Oh, I was slightly off. I was slightly off. It's actually 682. I might have to color code on the places because I am struggling really hard. So red's gonna be the ones place. Orange is gonna be the tenths place. Yellow's gonna be the 10,000ths place, and green is gonna be the thousandths place. I'm starting to struggle hard, not gonna lie. All right. All right, what value should we do next? What value should we do next? I'm struggling really hard. Hopefully something simple because I am struggling really hard. It's not cool. It's not cool because I'm struggling really hard. 8 tenths. 8 tenths. Okay. 8 tenths. Yeah. So, which is equal to 4/5, I think. Yeah, 4/5 from south. 5 cubed. Okay. 5 cubed is 125. And then 4 raised to 3 is 64. I have to multiply it 6 to get 750. I think this should be, I think this should be easy. I'm not joking. I think I can do this in my head. Ah, but it's so hard. 256 is 250, right? This is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. It's less than a tenth. I have no idea what the answer is. I'm gonna guess it's about this number. I'm hoping that 64 over 750 is right. I'm hoping 64 by 750 is 0.085 because I am really struggling. I'm really struggling. This is not cool. Yeah. And then 7. um, it's, I mean 5, sorry, 1024. And then it's 3125. I have to multiply this by 120. I have to multiply this by 120. So I'm going to multiply this by 100. I'm going to increase it 20%. I have to add 20%. Uh, I don't know what 3125 is. 6250, probably. I have to add those numbers up. Okay. It is equal to 3750. 375000. Okay, I got it. I don't know if it's small enough to go below 1,000. Yeah, I think it is small enough to go. Wait, no, it's I think it's about 2,000. Oh my god, I keep accidentally typing the wrong number. It's about 2,000. God, my brain is hurting probably. All right, so let's go. Let's draw 8 boxes. Actually, let me delete this. My brain is probably starting to hurt. I wish I was making this up, but it's really starting to hurt. I'm not making this up. My brain is probably gonna fry. Seriously. 2, 3, 4. All right. Then I have to subtract 85. Uh, but we can take this one and multiply it by 10. All right, my brain is starting to probably fry up. I'm not joking. And then making them so fun. All right. This I can't do this. By the way, it's not small enough, so I have to get another one and make 10 again. So now I can delete 5 of these, and then I can delete 8, and I can delete 1. Oh wait, I think I messed up. I think I meant to delete 9, but I. All right. Final result is wait 25. No, 15. It's 15. Sorry. And then I have to add 2,000s. Okay. All right. The final answer. The final answer is. This is the final answer. Oh wait, no. I meant this is the real final answer. All right. My brain is probably fried right now. Okay. This is the final answer. The sine of 8 is about this number right here. All right. The final answer is 617 over 1,000. Is that right? My brain is like fried right now. I'm not joking. It's fried. Hopefully I got it right. Oh wait, I messed up. I messed up, guys. I was thinking about 7/10. There. That's my real final answer. No, it's not. That's my real answer. Sorry. Oh, I'm so glad. Oh my god. Alright, I got it finally. Holy crap, dude, that was crazy. Crazy hard. Holy crap. Alright. Alright. Next one. What should the next value be? Hopefully nothing too hard. Oh, oh no, not 1.32. I can't do this one. Nah. I am not accepting 1.32 because that one is so crazy hard. Waiting for 1.261 is hard. I will do a tenth. A tenth is pretty doable, not gonna lie. A tenth is doable, definitely, not gonna lie. Alright. And then this one is 1,000. It's just 1/10, isn't it? That sine of tenth of a radian is a tenth, is it not? It can't not be true, right? Yeah, a tenth is too easy. Let's try a different one. I'll go. I guess I will do 1.1261. I'm gonna use decimals because I thought you're supposed to subtract. I will use a calculator because I can't do 1.261 cubed in my head. So 1.261 cubed. Um, it's about similar to 1 and 5/4, which becomes 1.564. Then I have to divide by 6. It's about, all right, about, actually, I think I will use a calculator because I can't do, I will use a calculator for 1.261 because, yeah, I will. It's about similar to 128, so it's 128. I think it's close to 2. I'm gonna say I'm gonna say it's about 2. That's divided by 6, so it's a third. Yeah, it's about a third. Yeah, it's about a third. Oops, it was on accident. Sorry. Wait, did my keyboard just break? It's not letting me type. There we go. I thought my keyboard broke. There we go. That's much better. And then we have to 1.261 to the fifth is 261 to the fifth. Yep. Definitely listen to calculator this one. About 27. About 27. and then raise it to the 7 is about 1,000. I'm using a calculator for the questions. I definitely cannot do this in my head. Like, no way. All right, now I have to set up 1.261. All right. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1,000, and then one whole number. I have to subtract. I have to subtract a third. But I can't borrow, so I have to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, let me hold on, guys. I might be. Yep, I'm good. And then I have to add another one, and then plus 10. 1, and this becomes 11. I feel like I'm going back to 5th grade. What? Okay. All right. Now I can. So I have to. Now I can subtract 3 of each. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to add 27. I have to add 27. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Bro, what am I doing? Okay. And then I have to add 2. Okay. No, 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 no. Stop. Okay. 1, 2, and 3 because I have to give me 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have to subtract 1. All right. My final answer. I forgot to delete something. My final answer. Wait, is it 1? I think I messed up. Hold on. Okay, guys, I messed up. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna restart because value is greater than 1, which is not possible. All right, I messed up. So 2, 6, and then 1. I messed up. I somehow got. All right. I messed up. I'm gonna restart. So I have to borrow a 10. I have to 1, then I have to have 10. 1, 2, 3, and then I have to carry them. Yep. And then I can't subtract 3, so I have to. All right, now I can subtract 3, so I can subtract. Oh wait, All right. All right, so I have to subtract. All right, I have to subtract because there we go. Now I can subtract 3 of each. Wait, how did I? So subtract 3 of each. There you go. Now I have to add 27. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, am I doing this right? Now I have to add 2, but 3 really, because I have to delete 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then subtract 1. Okay. Sine of 1261 is about 9.954. Okay. I didn't do that. Oh.
Wait, we've been waiting on you for an hour and a half. Yeah. You said you were filling up the thing. Well, too late.
Sign up. Oh my god. This was a lot harder. It's about 954 over 1,000.
0.954.
That's been so long. I'm okay. I'm definitely done with this. I can't do this anymore. Wait, I'm gonna delete all of them except for it's okay. All right. Hopefully I was close. Cause I think I should be close. Please do calculating. Oh yeah, I was only
Yeah,
2,000ths away. I think that's gonna be it.
Okay, here, can I have it? Huh?
Wait, bring it on here.
That's gonna be it. This was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a simple challenge, but no, it ended up being extremely hard. So yeah. Bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Ah!